Today, I want to show you a really easy way to put together a broccoli salad that is perfect for springtime to any brunch, lunch, or dinner table. Welcome to the Silly Kitchen. Away we go with a very few simple ingredients and a lot of deliciousness. So I've done all my prep work to start. So I'm simply adding 4 cups of broccoli and I've cut it up into little small pieces. I didn't want to leave it in big chunks. I've also cut up 2 carrots, and so it's about just an overflowing 3/4 as it seems here. So about a cup of chopped up carrots. Now the way that I like to cut these up is almost like a julienne, and then chop them up even a little bit more so that I get these nice little chunks of carrots. I still want a good crunch with these carrots. I don't want to grate them or make them too tiny because I do like a little bit of that texture. I have red onion. Now I'm doing 2 recipes today, so I'm only going to use half of this. So it's about half a cup in small dices. I also have about half a cup of dried cranberries. You don't need to measure this recipe. I really like this ratio, but if you want a little more sweetness, a little more crunch, whatever it is, that's up to you. Now, the other ingredient that you see here that I have left is just some sliced almonds, but I don't put that in right away. I wait until we dress and season it and then add it afterwards. Now, to dress it, it is so easy. I have a little bit of mayonnaise, and like most people who know me know I don't measure, but if I had to measure this, I would say that it would be about half a cup of mayo. You can always add more, but you can't really take away. So if you are like me and just like to eye it out, do a little bit, mix it up, add a little more, and you're good to go. Now, I'm also using a little bit of apple cider vinegar for this one. I would say 1/4 cup. And give it some salt and pepper. I like lots of pepper. Woohoo! Now, in a lot of recipes, I've seen people add sugar or honey or something to sweeten this up a little bit besides the cranberries. What I decided to try one day was a little bit of honey mustard. So I do not a measured tablespoon, but one of these tablespoons. And I just add that right in there. And now I have a spoon that I can mix this all together with. Once you've got it all mixed together, it looks beautiful. We've got lots of color. Let's not forget to finish it off with these beautiful little slivers of almonds. I've used walnuts in this salad as well, so feel free to switch that up if you'd like. And you can leave it just like that or mix those almonds in a little bit. I would definitely leave the nuts till the end so that they don't get mushy in the dressing. Now, the moment of truth, we need to make sure it tastes good. Oh yeah. Just a really nice combination of your savory veggies, a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of vinegar, and that nice creaminess to sort of go with those little bits of crunchiness. I love this salad. I hope you do too. I'll see you next time on The Silly Kitchen.